Good morning, I'm Lynn, and welcome to another day at Ewetopia Farms. Can you believe the bottle feeding video? I went to bed and it still wasn't uploaded, so I don't know what time it eventually did get uploaded, but I'm guessing it took over 30 hours to get that video up. Is that insanity? Anyway, hopefully the next videos get to you on time. But usually if there is a delay in getting the videos, that's the reason. My internet is as fast as it can go and it's deadly slow. Anyway, let's go inside the barn and see what happened there today. This morning, one of our Texels had lambs. Haven't checked if they're boys or girls yet, but really big ones. Hi, you have really nice lammies there. Another old girl, because all our Texels are old girls now, basically. Hi. You guys are really nice. She did that all on her own. And everybody else is okay. This mom always snuggles with her triplets right underneath her in the corner there. But at least she's not laying on them because they're underneath the feeder there. Because this one's a little bit clumsy. Well, actually, this girl's a bit clumsy too. But the lamb, she's got the twin lambs, they're okay. Basically, we've emptied out the jugs now, except for these guys at the front. And so far, the mom with the rejected lamb isn't rejecting it. She's in with the group. She's gotten used to it now. The fact that she's in a pen and is free again. Yesterday, she had a little mad half hour. Hi. But everybody seems to be settled in here. Somebody asked me about miscarriages and stillborn lambs and what the causes are. And I mean, that's a loaded question because anything can cause those things. It could be a lamb that was just not right, so nature it throws the lamb off and it doesn't make it. Maybe it wasn't attached properly, the placenta to the wall of the uterus. Maybe she was one of the ewes that got cast and flipped upside down and it made her lose her lambs. Maybe she has an abortion disease. If you had a whole slew of lambs that you were losing, then I would probably get them tested at a lab to see if you're dealing with an abortion disease. The good thing about abortion diseases is that there's vaccines, I think, for all of them. So if you suspect that you're having more stillborns or abortions or losing lambs more than you think is right, I would get them tested because you can fix it really quickly by getting them vaccinated so that it doesn't happen again. It can be caused from stress right prior to lambing. So many things can cause that to happen. But nature is going to take its course, and you can expect to lose a few lambs every year, well, depending on what size you are. But like I say, if you have an outbreak of more than you would normally have, I would definitely get it tested because there's all kinds of diseases that are out there that can cause it. But most things have a solution, so never panic. It's devastating to lose lambs, so I know lots of breeders vaccinate for abortion diseases so that they don't have to deal with that. So, on to the coveralls. So these are my Dorset lambs. They've got the feeder down pat. There's a few in here that I weren't doing too good, so I'm going to catch them and try top them up. But these guys are doing well. Here we are in the Suffolk group. There's a little lamb I've been topping up in here, but I don't see her coming up today. Come on, you guys, who's looking for that little bottle? Hi. Oh, you're pretty snazzy. Aren't you special? Hi. Oh, you are special. You're pretty sharp, buddy. Hi. Hi, guys. I'm liking that guy quite a bit. Can't see what his number is. Hi, buddies. There's a black one in here that's really nice.
It's really what?
Really nice.
Oh.
There's the brown one. He's just heading in there now. He's turned into a nice lamb. That was Lazarus that just snuck in there. We're just starting to figure out the creep feeder. Hi, how you doing? This guy here is Lazarus, the bigger one that's walking away. Remember the mom who was really sick? And she's in here somewhere too. Doing just fine. Who knows what happened there? Hi, you're so handsome. I see you everywhere. You're really handsome. Yeah. Ram is very proud. Hi, you guys. So we're just bedding up these lambs a little bit. Got a storm coming through tonight, apparently. So we want everyone toasty in here for the storm. This is the younger group of Suffolks that we just brought over. So there's some little ones in here. These are the fall mums. All dried off. Chewy. Say hello to everybody. Hi, Choo-Choo. Hi, Chewy. Hi. Hi, how you doing? You're a good girl. You're not being friendly. Hi, how are you? How are you? You guys look all nice. Yeah, you do look all nice now. Not too interested in socializing when there's food coming. Food first. That's why they're always most friendly in the middle of the afternoon at nap time. Because they're full, they're relaxing, that's when they're most social. And these are the little Dorset ewe lambs. These are the ewe lambs from the mums on the other side. And in here we have Cupcake. There's Cupcake. That's Chewy's lamb right there. Hi, Cupcake. How you doing? Hi.
People are all other season breeders and no too. Should make them attractive.
The biggest concern in this fall ewe group is that they dry up correctly. And by drying up, I mean that their udders, the milk all dries up. The udder springs back and goes back into place as if they'd never had a lamb. And looking through this group, it's something you have to watch, because this is where the mastitis comes in. Most of these you can't see an udder. This one you can see an udder still, but it's a really nice color. Pale pink, not bright pink. Doesn't look inflamed. It's drying up nicely. Well, most of them you can't see the udders yet anymore. There's another one. Again, nice color, nothing to worry about. You can see that it's even. Any of the ones that still have a little udder left. You don't want to see lopsided, lumpy, bright red, bright purple, anything that looks like it's not good. But you can see all these have done a really good job drying up. So we had no issues with these. Discovered a mistake in our Dorset ewe lambs. When I was checking them, I discovered one of them had nuts. So his nuts are really good ones too, but when he was a little lamb, when I went to tag him, I must have done a quick feel and couldn't feel him and tagged him as a girl. And he's not a girl. You're not a girl. You're very attractive. So we have to bring him back with the boys. And he's pretty heavy. And they're going to pick on him now because he's the new man on campus. How much does he weigh? 200? I said 200 to make you even stronger. Back with his buddies. When they notice him there, they're probably going to pick on him, but right now they're probably more concerned with the food coming. These are the replacement ewes. Hi, girls. Nobody's sociable when it's food time. Some people have flocks this size. We just had another Suffolk have a lamb. And as you know, once one's born, usually Arnie will get her down again and check just to make sure she doesn't have another one. Especially when we got triplets around, because... Oh, guess that's not we're always looking for someone who might adopt, but that's okay. If there's a lamb there, then...
It's not after birth, it is clear.
No.
I kind of thought she had one. And she's got milk.
She's got milk on both sides?
Yeah, both sides, good milk.
And what's that lamb? Because I'll go record it now.
I'm pretty sure it's a female. Yep.
It's a girl? Okay, I'll go start
recording.
Yeah, for sure. Usually females first.
Well, I'll need this, I guess. I always hate laying them down now. People think I'm probably going to get cruelty.
Oh, no, you're not knocking her down. I know when I was pregnant, I preferred laying down.
They don't.
I mean, to having babies. There you go. That's a good mommy. If you're going to lay them down, it's usually best to see how Arnie put the other lamb in front of her. It lets her get her mind off of the delivery of the next lamb, because most will be really concerned about the lamb that they have at muzzle. So is it in the right position? Oh, yeah. You can see there's a head already and 2 legs. And our Suffolks, well, most of our sheep are really good at delivering lambs. And while he's there, he's going to check for a third. Once you're in, you may as well check.
She's not really big enough for
No, and Suffolks, we don't want the triplets, but we want to check. What is it?
a male.
A male? So you're right.
Well, by nature, that's the way it should be.
It's usually 50-50. Okay. Good. Lammies. You guys hungry? Oh, you look like you're hungry. Yeah, you look hungry. Come on over. Good. Come on, climb over your mom. She's in your way. Come on then. They learn really quickly that I got a bottle for them. Come on, you can do it. That's it. The little one doesn't want a bottle, but the other 2 do. They are the trio. The dastardly trio. So these are the lambs that are just born. So what I do once we've got them fed and dipped is I will scan her to see who she is. So that gives me her general information, her tag number, her date of birth, what breed she is, her mother and her father. And then that management tag is her registration number. And on the J year, we decided to scrapey test all the ewes as well, and I can see that she's an RR. And if these lambs are from either Quincy or Hilton, then both lambs we know are RR as well, because if both parents are RR, then the lambs have to be RR. So she's the 120th ewe to have lambs this year. Well, this season. And we just started into the 3rd cycle right now. 3rd cycle for the first group, but it's the 1st cycle for the 2nd group. Right now we're out to do the night check and to feed the bottle babies. And we've got a storm going, winds blowing, snow's accumulating. One of those nasty nights. Okay, so there, one light came on. This is the trek over to feed the Dorsets. You'd think the motion lights would turn on quicker. Boy, this deep snow actually slows you down. We got the coverall door shut tonight, just to stop the snow from coming in. We may have to dig in tomorrow. Come on, Max. Okay, nice and cozy in here. Hi, lammies. Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Lammies. Come on then. Come on, lammies. Come on, lammies. Come on. Watch out. Come on, lammies. Gotta say the Dorsets learn this a lot quicker than the Suffolks. The Suffolks are way more needy. This one needs to be shown what to do. Well, it's nice in here anyway. Everyone's fed. We're going to turn the lights off, and that'll be it for this barn. And then we just got to check on the lambs in the jugs, and that's it for the night checks. Okay, back to the main barn. Are all the dogs out?
Ben, Max? Ben?
Well, we're heading in for the night. Night chores are done. We're going to call this a day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join us next time for the next episode at Ewetopia Farms. Bye for now.